Good afternoon, boys and girls. This is Miss Frank here to do your daily calendar review. Calendar review. Calendar review. Miss Jackson taught me that song today on a video call. She was really much better at it than I was. I'm going to practice a little bit more. All right, I'm going to get tiny and we are going to start our calendar review. Let's have a high five. Ooh, can you give me a tiny high five? Ooh, thank you. Sorry, I forgot to do that. And I'm going to scooch myself over. Okie dokie. So we're going to start off our calendar review today with figuring out what coin we have. So I'm going to come here to the 25. Ooh, it is 1 month till Miss Frank's birthday today. And I'm going to click it. And there it is. And this coin is brown. What do we know about coins that are brown? What is the name of that coin? Did you say a penny? Way to go. Another high five. Awesome. It is a penny and it is worth 1 cent. All right, so let's come all the way up from this penny and oh, we landed on Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, so let's and we are going to say our date together. So today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. Awesome, boys and girls. All right, let's keep on rolling. So today we know is, oh dear, Wednesday. Let's all say it together. Today is Wednesday. So if I wanted to know what day of the week was yesterday, I need to go back a day. So I could go to the 25th and then go backwards. Oh, I landed 1 less is 24 and up to Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. All right, we're going to say our days of the week and we're going to figure out what comes after Wednesday. So let's all say them together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What did you say next? Did you say Thursday? Way to go. It is Thursday tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. All right, let's all say that together. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Okie dokie, boys and girls, we're going to move it on to weather. And I realized I have to be on this side of the screen so I can click my next button. All right, today's weather is, I'm looking out my window. See if you can see outside. What do you see? What do you see? I see more clouds today, so we're not going to change this. Today's weather is cloudy, but I do need to put another graph piece here. So how many cloudy days have we had? Did you say 3? You are correct. How many sunny days have we had? Did you say 2? That's correct too. So if I have 3 cloudy days and 2 sunny days, which one has more? You're right, cloudy has more. All right, and if I have 3 cloudy days and 1 partly cloudy day, which one has less? Did you say partly cloudy or a little bit cloudy? Some of my friends like to call it that in my class. You are correct. All right, let's keep it going. Spiral review! Today we have 4 questions because it is Wednesday, and we are going to be answering them on paper or a whiteboard. So let's figure this out. First question. 4 and 0 is, what is the answer there? What is the answer there? Let's go ahead and show our work here. Do you know it? Oh, well, keep it yourself. Hold on. Let's see. I'm going to put 4 here. And then I'm going to put none over here. So how many do I have in all? How many is my is? Did you say 4? You are correct. 4 and 0 is 4. Ooh, 4. All right, next question. You ready? 1 more than 17. Now, we haven't done a one more question on spiral review on video, so we're going to have to think about that skill. So, our ways to figure out one more. We can think about what counting number comes next. We can visualize that number chart. Okay, so put the number 17 in your brain. Let's think. What comes after the 17? What'd you find out? Okay, well, let's look. Let's look. I'm going to write a quick number right here. So if I was going to write my numbers, I'd go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to get big so you guys can see extra. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oop, ran out of space. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And now I need one more. That means the next number is 18. Did you write 18 on your board already? Y'all are a bunch of smarty pantses. Way to go. All right, so 1 more than 17 is 18. That is correct. Oh, Miss Frank's not very good at making an 8. Let's see if I can make that look a little neater. Oh, it's okay. Not my neatest work. All right, I'm going to put my board down. How many birds do you see? Go ahead and count those birds and either tell an adult how many you see or write that number down. All right, let's go ahead and check our work. All right, I'm going to use my highlighter to cross them out as I count. 1, 2, I want you to count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness, 15 birds. How would I write a 15? What number is going to come first? Is it going to be a 1? What number is going to come first? Did you say a 1? That is correct. My first number is a 1. After my 1, what comes next? 15. Did you say a 5? That is correct. So 1 and a 5. Make sure, boys and girls, your 5 is facing the same way as Miss Frank's. Okay? Sometimes we have a little trouble with writing those 5s. And if you need some more practice, make sure you take your time now to write a couple of 5s on your paper. Make them look really nice and neat. All right, last question. Who remembers what this is called? Has a fancy name. Anyone? Let's all say it together. Number bond. Let's say it again. Number bond. One more time. Number bond. This is a number bond. So here we have our whole, okay, and here we have our parts. Okay, so my whole is 4. So I need to find out this missing part. So I need to know 2 and what is 4. So I'm going to show, if you know, go ahead and write that answer on your paper and then watch what Miss Frank is doing. Did you get it? Okay, let's make sure we get it right. All right, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put 2 dots next to this number bond. Now, I already had four dots, so you can see my 4 dots. There are my 4 dots. Now I'm going to put 2 of them over here. Okay? Now, I know that I have these other dots left, and I'm going to put them in my other part. So how many did I have left? How many did I have left, boys and girls? Did you say 2? That is correct. So if I was going to say this sentence, I would say, oh my goodness. Let me get my eraser out. I didn't think I was still drawing. Whoops. 2 and 2 is 4. Let's say that all together. 2 and 2 is 4. One more time. You say it to me. And is excellent job. All righty, boys and girls, that concludes our calendar lesson for today. I will see you all tomorrow on Thursday for another great day of calendar. Can't wait. Love you. Mwah! It's not turning off. I apologize.